Hello everybody, welcome back to the Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily factory reset your MG. So I am on the MG S5 EV, and to do that you need to scroll down, sorry, not down, but to the right, go to settings, and here you need to be in the system. If you're not in the system, you will probably be in general, and from here you have to scroll down. Now in the system, scroll down a little and go to restore factory settings. Now, as you guys can see, you will reset the entire thing. For example, your settings, your navigation, and etc. You'll get rid of the, let's just say, your driving control if you have any custom ones, your convenience settings, also your MG pilot and cluster and status. So not status, but to the cluster. So here, as you guys can see, just if you reset your car, this will happen. So you can click here, click and continue, and that's basically it. So thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.